Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Waller's Wallet, and today we're going to take a look at a lesser talked about credit card, the PNC Cash Reward Card, and see if it deserves a spot in your wallet. Now, if you want a simple way to help out the channel, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, this card's been on my list of cards to review for quite a bit of time now, because I think it's a pretty interesting card and it's a little bit different than some of the other cards on the market. Plus, it's always good to see a credit card option that comes from a bank not named Chase or American Express. So starting off with the sign-up bonus. While you wouldn't know it looking at the homepage of the PNC Cash Reward Card, this card does come with a bonus. If you apply for this card on the PNC website, you will get a $100 bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months of opening this card. I do think this bonus is on the bit of a low side, but it does come out to about a 10% return when meeting that minimum spend requirement. So while it's nice to get a bonus, it's definitely not a reason to get this card. Also, PNC, why not make it a headline that this card has a bonus of some kind, rather than hide it at the bottom of your webpage? Just a thought. Now taking a look at the earning rates, and this is where the PNC Cash Reward Card gets a bit interesting and also a little bit different, because this card will earn 4% back on gas station purchases, 3% back on dining, 2% back on grocery stores, and then 1% back everywhere else. And earning 4% back on gas is quite solid. There aren't that many cards that offer this earning rate as a typical category on one of their cards, so this is nice to see. I mean, if you have a card like the Costco card, that card does get 4% back on gas, but remember, you do need to be a Costco member in order to get that card. But the big kicker, and possibly the most limiting factor on this card, is the fact that this card has a spend limit for all the bonus categories combined. Because the PNC Cash Reward limits you to $8,000 total combined spend on all the bonus categories per anniversary year, not calendar year, and this even includes the 2% back on groceries. So for all those bonus categories, this means at most you could earn $320 per anniversary year on your bonus categories, and that's if you only spent the $8,000 on gas, so it does go down if you spend in other categories. And you know, I'm really not a fan of this cumulative limit on this card. I can totally see a limit for gas purchases, I don't think there'd be any complaint there, but to include all bonus categories just seems quite limiting for this card. Now, if you're someone who only plans to use this card for gas, this actually is not a bad card because it earns really well for gas purchases. Also, if you're someone who won't spend $8,000 in a year on these categories, then you're not going to run into any issues here. Now, taking a look at the annual fee, what's nice about this card is this card has no annual fee, but unfortunately it does come with a 3% foreign transaction fee, so it's best to leave this card at home if you're leaving the country. Then taking a look at our redemption options, given the name of Cash Reward Card, it should be no surprise that this is a cashback credit card, and the redemption options are pretty straightforward. You can redeem your cash back as a statement credit into your account, or you can even deposit it into your PNC checking, savings, or PNC investment accounts. PNC also mentions that they can allow you to redeem this into other accounts, but this is based on their discretion. Then there's also the requirement that you need to redeem a minimum of $25 when redeeming your rewards. And I really wish they'd get rid of this. It's nice when banks let you redeem your cash back for even as low as 1 penny. I mean, those are your rewards you've earned, so let customers redeem them the way they want to. And if you happen to close this account, you lose rewards once the account is closed, so be sure to redeem your rewards before you do that if you are someone who's deciding to close out this account. Then taking a look at the other benefits. The PNC Cash Reward Card, it doesn't offer much for extra benefits. It's not even a Visa signature card, so you don't even get those basic benefits of a Visa signature as well. It's a plain Visa card. PNC mentions contactless payment and Easy Lock, which freezes your account if your card is lost or stolen, but there's not anything unique about these benefits here. And honestly, I can't say I'm too surprised here. PNC is a smaller player in the credit card game, and this is a no annual fee credit card, so I don't think we should be expecting much for benefits. And let's be honest, you're probably not looking at this card for the benefits, it's the earning rates of this card that are pulling you in. Now, this card won't be for everyone, and this is definitely a card you should be getting in that mid to late game if you're someone considering it. And this card I think is really going to be for someone who spends a lot of money on gas, maybe looking for a gas card for the cashback rotations, or maybe wants one card that earns well for gas and decent for dining, but won't hit that $8,000 limit. But that combined $8,000 spending limit in those bonus categories could be very limiting for larger spenders or for families. So tell me, what do you think of the PNC Cash Reward card? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, take a look at the links down in the description below. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And until next time, safe travels and take care.